Hey everyone, welcome to my new channel. And in this channel, we are going to discuss more about finance, coding, development. And if you really want to learn coding, if you are enthusiastic towards finance, personal financing, investing, then definitely this channel is for you. So do subscribe to this channel and stay tuned with us. In upcoming days, we are going to post some of the tutorials, which I will try to add a more and more quality into that particular content, so that you will learn some kind of new skills from that. This skills going to help you in future. And in this channel we were going to discuss more about skills rather than towards the a high level overview of how we can earn that much amount of money. And definitely, if you subscribe this channel, you will don't waste your time in watching some kind of unvested reels, which are definitely going to waste your time only. They will not add any value to your life. And this channel will provide you a kind of skills which will definitely help you in future in order to earn and in order to add some values in your own life.